Ltd, and today is all about sauces. A sauce is a liquid or cream that you use with food. For some sauces you use them inside of the food, like a cheese sauce, you use it to put inside of a macaroni pie or a scalloped potatoes, and some other sauces you use outside of the food separately, like sweet and sour sauce. The sauce we are going to be making today, we use outside of the food. We're going to be making garlic honey sauce. This sauce literally takes no time at all. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 4 teaspoons of oil, 4 teaspoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. We're going to add our oil to our hot pan. Then we're going to add our butter. And allow the butter to melt. Then we'll add our garlic. And allow the garlic to saute for about a minute or so. Oh, it smells really good. Now we're going to add our honey. Make sure your garlic does not burn, because burnt garlic gives a bitter flavor. So make sure the garlic does not burn, but it gets a nice toasty brown. We're going to add our ketchup. Then we add the soy sauce. Mix everything together and we are done. Literally no time at all. Our sauce is done. Just look at that gorgeous consistency. Not too thin and not too thick. Now it's time to taste. It would be perfect if it had a fried item to taste it with, but we'll taste it on its own. It perfectly elevates any fried recipe. Garlic honey sauce. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this sauce recipe, I want you to look over here and see some of my other recipes. And once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.